Building a brand starts with a single idea, a philosophy, a belief. A brand is an expression of an experience a customer uses to connect to you and your product or service. Beyond any immediate rippling effect, your brand must multiply to survive. Your idea must spread to others. Your philosophy must reach minds hungry for what you have to offer. Like an approaching storm, your brand must rain down on the masses, reaching millions of prospective customers, only to find one that can begin building a network of success and eventually make your business a global sensation. This is Rainfall. Come and build your brand with us.